What's good, everybody? Instructify here, back with another tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an awesome YouTube banner for free using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, a striking banner can make your channel stand out. First things first, open up your browser, I'm using Chrome, and type in Canva in the search bar. Click on the first link that pops up and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, head over to the homepage. You'll see a button that says Create a Design. Click on that, and in the search bar, type YouTube Banner. Canva will automatically adjust the dimensions to fit the perfect YouTube banner size. Now comes the fun part. Choosing a style for your banner. Canva offers a plethora of templates, so you can pick one that matches your channel's vibe. Whether you want something sleek and professional or fun and vibrant, there's something for everyone. But remember, you can always customize it to make it uniquely yours. Let's select a template to get started. I'm going to choose this eye-catching style right here. Once you've selected your template, it's time to customize it. You can change the text, fonts, colors, and images to match your brand. For instance, let's add the Instructify logo. To do this, go to the Upload section on the left sidebar, click on Upload Files, and select your logo from your computer. Drag and drop your logo onto the banner, and position it wherever you think it looks best. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners of the logo. If you want to add more elements like social media icons, shapes, or even photos, Canva has a vast library of free elements. Just go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and explore the options. Simply click on what you like, and it will appear on your banner. From there, you can move it around and adjust the size. Once you're happy with your design, make sure everything is centered and looking great. Then click on the Share button at the top right corner and choose Download. Select the file type you prefer. I recommend PNG for high quality, and hit Download. And voila! You now have a professional-looking YouTube banner ready to upload to your channel. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Instructify for more awesome content, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.